girl. Okay, so I'm looking a hot mess, which means it's time to glow up to get our maintenance going. But I wanted to show you how I do my maintenance routine on a budget, because I truly think we are all delusional thinking that we need to pay $10,000 to look good every day. That's just not true. These are things you could be doing at home, and there are some investment pieces you're gonna see that I use here. Like I have a Dyson Air Straight. I just invested in a Dyson Air Wrap. Yes, those are investment pieces, but the way that I see them is if I'm going to be wearing my natural hair and not wearing all these extensions and weaves and this and that, that money that I would be spending on all the extensions basically goes to my Dyson. So I do wear tape-ins sometimes, and I do have a set of clip-ins from Curls Queen, but that's about it. Like I'm not wearing wigs, I'm not doing sew-ins, I'm not going to the beauty salon every 2 months or whatever for maintenance. These are things that I'm able to do at home, that I've learned to do at home, that I do in my house. Therefore, I have the money to invest in a Dyson to take care of my hair, because I have noticed my hair health improved significantly when I switched to using Dyson heat tools versus more like drugstore blow dryers and things like that. So yeah, I'm going to show you all those things. We are going to be dyeing our hair, doing our nails, doing an everything shower, silk press. Honey, we have things to do today. So we're going to get into it. And I'm not really going to talk, honestly. I think I just want to let you guys kind of vibe. I'll put everything I use down below in the description box, play some good music. I really hope this helps relax you, soothe your mind, and gets you in the mood to take care of yourself.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the eye of my mountain until you
ignore the weird top because it's literally just like a sports bra, like bralette. I know we're doing like the whole just like no talking vibe, but before I use the air wrap to curl my hair, can we talk about it? Can we get a little commotion for the hair? I'm sorry. With air, no flat iron. I know you see it. I know you see the body. I know you see it. I know for a fact that you see. Girl, I know you see that it's giving silk press. When I tell you, they ain't ready for me this season. Baby, this winter we acting up with these silk presses because I know you lying that I could get my hair this straight with air. With some oxygen, baby. With some oxygen. Oh, you done lost your mind. You done lost your mind, Dyson. Yeah, I know you did that. The shine. Girl, the shine. The shine. Like, let me know if you guys want a full tutorial of how I do this, because I know I just gave you guys like little snippets and clips and this and that. Finished hair, finished makeup, just a really natural everyday kind of beat, and finished nails. I love them. I did my toes like the same red, and it's just like, I feel like red is my most natural nail color, which sounds kind of odd. I haven't been into like pinky nudes lately. I feel like red really suits me. It suits my personality as much as I love neutrals and like monochrome looks and beiges and black and cream and gray and brown. As much as I love that, I feel like red nails just like eat down on me year round, especially this particular shade of red. So yeah, this is the final look. Honestly, I'm just wearing the same Jimmy Jams. I'm not getting all dressed up. I'm just gonna go downstairs and cook dinner and kick it for the night. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you liked the more like calm, less talking vibes, and I can make you guys more content like that because I do kind of like filming it. Like, it's relaxing. It feels like we're on FaceTime and I'm just like showing you some cool products that I like and some things that I like to do. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys thought. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please make sure to thumbs the video up and subscribe down below if you haven't already so you can join the squad. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.